like, comment and finally subscribe my YouTube channel. Get information and knowledge to watch my latest information and knowledge videos firstly. Hi guys, in this video I am going to talk about the PS4 controller and the PS5 controller difference. So let's begin the video. Number 1. The PS4 controller was called as DualShock 4, but the new name has been given to the PS5 controller, which is DualSense. Now this is the biggest change in the history of PlayStation controllers, because in the history of PlayStation controllers, every controller was named as DualShock, but this PS5 controller is no more DualShock. It's now DualSense. Number 2. Sony has removed the DualShock 4's LED light bar from the top of the controller to the surrounding of the touchpad on the PS5 controller. Now this will make the difference between the PS4 controller and PS5 controller electricity consumption, because as compared with the PS4 controller, it has larger LED light than PS5 controller. So the consumption of electricity will be lesser in PS5 controller. Number 3. The PS4 controller was not having a built-in microphone, but this DualSense controller will also include a built-in microphone of PS5, and Sony says that you will be able to use this to talk with your friends online without the use of a gamepad. Number 4. Two-toned color, black and white. So the PS5 controller will have two-tone color, means it will have also the black color as well as the white color, and the PS4 controller has only all black color. So guys, this is also a big change in the history of PlayStation controllers. Every controller was having one specific color, but PS5 controller will have two-tone color. Number 5. Haptic feedback. Yes guys, there will be a haptic feedback in PS5 controller which will simulate touch, meaning the controller will output vibrations or movements to replicate a real-life touch experience. So guys, this is also a change in PS5 controller and which was not in PS4 controller, and this will aim to improve the controller's feedback. Number 6. The PS4 controller was having a share button, but on PS5 controller it will be replaced by create button. So this will also a change in the PS5 controller. So guys, this was all about the difference between the PS4 and the PS5 controller. So hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.